Under what circumstances is a multi-member voting district unconstitutional? The Supreme Court tackled this question in Whitcomb v. Chavis. Two Indiana apportionment statutes established Marion County as a multi-member district for the state's General Assembly elections. This meant that the county's 8 senators and 15 House members were elected at large by the county's voters. Within Marion County, there were multiple townships with distinct populations. A large portion of Center Township was occupied by the Center Township ghetto, a majority African-American area where most residents faced unique socioeconomic challenges. Nearby Washington Township covered a similar geographic area but contained a smaller population of suburban, relatively wealthy, primarily white residents. Ghetto residents weren't restricted from voting, joining political parties, or running for office. Nonetheless, the ghetto was consistently underrepresented in the state legislature. Although Washington Township made up less than 15% of the county's population, nearly half of the county's senators and more than one-third of its representatives lived there. Nearly 18% of the county's residents lived in the ghetto. However, between 1960 and 1968, only 1 resident of the ghetto had been elected to the Senate, and 3 residents had been elected to the House of Representatives. A group of residents challenged the apportionment statutes in federal district court, arguing that the multi-member district violated the 14th Amendment Equal Protection Clause by invidiously diluting the votes of ghetto residents. The district court found for the residents, and the state appealed to the United States Supreme Court.